A good mother. Huh. A lot of y'all really don't know how to be a good mother. Huh. Yeah, you didn't bought your children the latest Jordans. Yes, you have other relatives taking care of your children. Huh. Yes, you had your child early. Hmm. But what about the fathers? What about the fathers? They're not here for the kids. They're not here. They're not doing this. They're not doing that. What about the dads? Hmm. Well, he's going to have to pay child support until he's able to take care of his son wholeheartedly. And I won't probably allow for him to see his child because it's an inconvenience. Huh? Oh no, brother man, he don't know how to take care of his family for real. But he taking care of a new wife and some kids. I can't believe he taking care of that heifer over there. Mm. You just want to be free. You just want to be able to have a life of your own. You just want to be able to have the new romance, the new life and the girls' trips, the being able to go to work and hustle and get you that bag and that Benz and all that stuff. But see, here's where you fail to realize. And I know a lot of women are about to hate me for this, but I really don't give a damn. The point of this video is for you to understand, right? You are the one that carries the seed. We know this even when we're younger. So if you're not ready to be a mom, why didn't you protect yourself? Hold up, hold up, hold up. I don't want to hear the excuse. I want to understand, why didn't you protect yourself each time you were about to be intimate? But you have more than one child and you're not ready to be a parent. You have more than 2 children, but you're not ready to be a parent. You have multiple child's fathers, but yet you're still not ready to be a parent. You are out here sleeping with the girls on vacation or probably just having a regular vacation, but yet you gotta call and phone home to check on your kids that you really don't like, for real, for real. But you really didn't leave them anything to eat. You left them some money. But you out there having bottles, drinking, smoking, turning up. The dude that you planning to sleep with tonight from the club don't even know your name, for real, because you didn't came up with a fake name. So he won't know your government. Just so you won't be a mother. The crazy thing to me about this whole situation is that you refuse to be a mother. But think about if you was to close your legs. Think about if you would have sex without protection. Think about if you would have had natural birth control or control in general. The man can't get you pregnant without your consent. Now, for my women that have been molested and got pregnant, this is not for you. This is for my women that consented sexual acts and don't want to be mothers. Now, from a woman that loves being a mom, from a woman that loves to be a mom, let me explain something to y'all. There's so many women out here that want children. How can you love your child when you don't even love yourself yet? But you're ready to be in a relationship. Put strange people around your kids. And then when the child feels unsafe because of the look that this person is giving your child, or the way this person interacts with your child, or the way that they connect with your child makes your child feel uncomfortable, but you don't want child interaction. No. You rather for your child to suffer and get molested because you really probably just didn't like the father for real. But in actuality, you're still in love with him. Haven't let go. But because that child looks exactly like their father, you're going to punish them. That's crazy to me. For the girl that cries at night because all she want to do is be loved because her mother is not paying attention to her, because one minute her mother is a friend, and then the next minute her mother is acting like a whole sibling that really hates her and really gets on her. The mother that'll let her daughter get her hair done, her nails all out the wazoo, wearing makeup, wearing these tight ass clothes, dressing her like she's already an adult, a prostitute, and everything else underneath the sun, allowing her to have a boyfriend at 15, 16 years old, but not teaching her about the female anatomy properly to where she doesn't even know how to wash in between her legs, for real. The mother that has the young lady sitting up here having her kids, which is her daughter or maybe her son, watching the younger siblings because they feel like now that the kids are older, they're supposed to be watching the children, but they don't get to have a childhood. So now they're actually acting like the adult that has to become responsible, which the children is more mature. But then you don't understand why the children are talking to you a certain way and don't respect you, because you don't act like an adult. You act like one of the siblings that they're actually taking care of. Do you not understand women were able to have kids without men before? Did you not understand that the children feed off your breasts to connect with the Milky Way and the galaxy from your womb and your breast? Did you not understand that the child knows your heartbeat and knows the rhythm and the frequency and the vibration of your spirit better than anybody else? But yet and still, y'all don't even know the frequency of your own kids. Postpartum was actually created. Did you know that? And a lot of it came from the medicine that women were taking during childbirth, because the women that did not take the medicine did not have postpartum. It was the women that took the epidurals and other stuff that had the postpartum. It was the woman that was around the negative energy and the family members that received the postpartum. It was the woman that had self-doubt, low frequencies, and really didn't care for herself that had the postpartum and understood how this baby was being born with the negative energies and entities from the man she was sleeping with. Received postpartum. So learn how to become a mother first before you decide to open your legs. If you're not ready, keep them closed, because your galaxy is only going to give you a certain amount of time to keep making those mistakes into blessings and blessings into mistakes. I say.